Hindi
Oo.
hindi ho maliwanag yung requirement. So we are weighing options without waiving our prerogatives on what to do or how to act in regard to this impeachment court resolution. Ngayon, as a gesture of our intent to comply with reasonable requirements na just to move this forward, kaya ho pinasa yun pinasa yung resolution na yun ng House na should the circumstances dictate that we comply, that we submit this certification, handa na po kami, hawak na namin yung certification na hinihingi nila from the 19th Congress. Ngayon, like I said, we are weighing options. Kaya ho, hindi naman ito agad-agad na dapat, sige, sundin na lang natin because there will be repercussions in the future. On the other hand, dahil nabanggit ko, sila nga hindi na-comply ng kanilang obligasyon. And by raising these points, we are not criticizing. We are not criticizing the impeachment court. We are calling them out. Do your duty. Listen to the clamor of the people. The people want a trial. Ilang independent surveys po yan? 3. 80 to 88% say that the Vice President should respond and face the charges. Sabi niya, she wants to clear her name. Sabi niya, she wants a bloodbath. Kung totoo yun, ba't sila umakit ng Supreme Court? Number 2, ang gusto nila ipatigil ang trial. Worst, nag-file pa ng supplemental petition. And this time, humihingi ng TRO, temporary restraining order. Kung inyo maalala, yung unang petition na nakafile sa Supreme Court, merong prayer for a preliminary injunction. Wala akong inisyong injunction. So, ibig sabihin, tuloy yan. Ituloy ninyo. Pero sa halip na ituloy, kung ano-anong balakid yung inilalagay